Today, we are going to learn about two fundamental types of data, strings and numbers. Strings include alphabets, symbols, spaces, and other characters, while numbers represent numerical data. The basic syntax for a string is open quotation mark, any sequence of characters, and close quotation mark. For example, open double quotation mark string, close double quotation mark. For numbers, you simply write the number directly. For example, just 3 without any quotation marks. Okay, let me briefly explain what strings and numbers are. A string is a type of data that consists of alphabets, symbols, spaces, and other characters. Strings are always enclosed in double quotes or single quotes. As we will see in the examples, you can combine two strings using the plus operator. Numbers, on the other hand, are numerical data. Therefore, computers treat strings and numbers differently. For example, 1 is a number, while open quotation mark 1 close quotation mark is a string 1. If you add 1 plus 1, the result is 2. However, if you add two ones with quotation marks, the result is 11, because the plus operator concatenates strings instead of adding them as numbers, so it is not 11, but 1, 1. Similarly, if you multiply 2 by 3, the result is 6. But if you multiply 2 with quotation marks by 3, the result is 2, 2, 2, because it just repeats the string 2, 3 times. Okay, why don't we try some exercises? First, let's combine two strings. The phrase "I love" and the phrase "my car" should be joined together using the plus operator. Since we want a proper sentence with spacing, we also need to include a space between them. Next, let's add two numbers, 2 and 3, using the plus operator. Since these are numerical values, they will be mathematically added together. Now let's combine two string representations of numbers, 2 and 3, using the plus operator. Since both are treated as text rather than numbers, they will be concatenated instead of added. Finally, let's print the results for each operation to see the output. There are some important things to be aware of. When connecting words, sometimes you need to manually add a space between them. This ensures that words do not merge incorrectly when using the plus operator. Additionally, you cannot use the plus operator to combine a string and a number in print. This is because their data types are different, and Python does not automatically convert them. Let's see what we have for some examples. Print the result of combining "I love," a space, and "my car." Print the result of adding 2 plus 3. Print the result of combining the string 2 with the string 3. The expected output is "I love my car." 5, 2, 3. Now let's consider another example. If we try to print the phrase "I was born in" plus the number 1999, this will not work. This is because the data types are incompatible, as one is a string and the other is a number. To fix this, we need to convert 1999 into a string using the string function. This ensures that both values are treated as text and can be combined properly. So we first define a variable a as "I was born in." Then we define variable b as the string version of 1999 using the string function. Finally, we print a plus b. The expected output is "I was born in 1999. Let's try another exercise. First, create the sentence, "My favorite car is Kia," by splitting it into 3 parts and combining them with the plus operator. Make sure that proper spacing is included so that the sentence is formatted correctly. Define variable a as "My favorite car is." Define variable b as a space. This space is necessary to separate the words properly. Define variable c as Kia. Now print a plus b plus c. This will correctly format the sentence as "My favorite car is Kia." Next, let's add the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Since these are numerical values, they will be summed up correctly. Then, let's concatenate the string versions of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Because these are strings, the plus operator will not add them, but will simply join them together as text. Define variable a as 1, 2, 3, 4. Define variable b as 5, 6, 7, 8. Define variable c as the string 1, 2, 3, 4. Define variable d as the string 5, 6, 7, 8. Print a plus b to get the sum of the numbers. Print c plus d to see the concatenation of the two string values. Thanks. See you in the next lesson.